Tonight, Cooperatives and MSMEs Cabinet Secretary Wycliffe Oparanya now faces imminent arrest after the High Court nullified the Director of Public Prosecution's decision to withdraw corruption charges against him. The High Court in Nairobi Tuesday ruled that the DPP's move to close the case was unconstitutional, irregular and void. The court said the DPP acted without transparency, accountability or consultation with the Ethics and Anti-Corruption Commission, effectively usurping the Commission's investigative mandate. And as NTV's Victor Ngaruya reports, this comes in the wake of EACC's appearance before the Senate Public Accounts Committee, where the Commission raised concerns over what it termed as the DPP's arbitrary withdrawal of corruption cases without involving them.
I, Wycliffe Ambetsa Oparanya.
CS Wycliffe Oparanya had appeared to have slipped free from the jaws of prosecution after the Director of Public Prosecution's DPP on July 8, 2024 wrote and forwarded a letter withdrawing consent to charge him shortly after Oparanya's nomination by President William Ruto as Cabinet Secretary for Cooperatives and MSMEs Development. But once again, the case has caught up with him. Justice Benjamin Musyoki has held that the ODPP acted contrary to the Constitution and its own guidelines on decision to charge 2019 when it reviewed and withdrew consent to prosecute without consulting the Ethics and Anti-Corruption Commission (EACC), the investigative agency in the matter. Oparanya faces charges of conflict of interest, abuse of office, conspiracy to commit corruption and money laundering. EACC had investigated allegations that while serving as the governor of Kakamega County, CS Oparanya received 56.7 million shillings from directors of Sebama International Limited and Sesela Resources Limited, part of which was used to acquire property in Nairobi Karen area. In his ruling, Justice Musyoki issued the following orders: that the declaration of ODPP to review decision to charge Wycliffe Oparanya as contained in a letter dated 8th of July 2024 is irregular, unconstitutional and therefore null and void. ODPP decision to review the charges was quashed. In addition, the court found ODPP unlawfully usurped EACC's investigative mandate.
Maybe you can sample.
This decision comes hot on the heels of recent revelations by EACC during a Senate committee hearing that the ODPP has since 2017 withdrawn 18 high-profile corruption cases, 15 of which have been withdrawn in the last 3 years alone. Victor Ngaruya, NTV.